Redmi Note 12 Pro and Realme 10 Pro Plus. How to choose these two mobile phones. I just got it. Are you envious of unboxing both mobile phones at once?
3、2、1、
Comes with a transparent protective case, but the Realme is blackened, probably to prevent yellowing. Interesting, you can see, both of them use this kind of bag for their mobile phones. There is no film tearing link that we are very familiar with. Let's take a look at the appearance of the two phones first. The red rice here is a time blue color scheme. The Realme is starlight that color. It belongs to the kind of bling. When you refract the light, rhombus stripes can be seen very flashy. Just look young and fashionable, plus a hyperboloid design. It really feels good in the hand. And what about Redmi? Continuing the design of the previous generation, the trendy small vertical edge, you will feel more mature and stable. But if you want to feel personally, I may be more inclined to be true to myself. Come to the front of the phone. You will find a straight display and a curved display. But just talk about the proportion of the front screen and the value of the face. I personally vote for this curved display. Anyway, I think it's more high-end and other people's. The chin is only 2.33mm, indeed look narrower. And Realme 10 Pro Plus cancelled the plastic bracket. Better texture. Other aspects of configuration. Look at the 5000 mAh battery, right? 6.7-inch 1080p display. But the both displays are also interesting. Redmi here is a mix of 3 screens. Realme here comes from Tianma diamond-like arrangement. They all have high-frequency PWM dimming. Redmi has a 1920Hz and Realme is 2160Hz. And what, really Realme gave you an in-display fingerprint. The Redmi has still a side fingerprint, but what about the advantages of Redmi? Look at the infrared at the top in terms of image, a 100 megapixel, a 50 megapixel 766. They both have some tricks in taking pictures. I really provide you with a street camera. There are many filters for street photography to play with. Redmi is a film camera anyway, add a watermark. Provides you with a lot of ways to play. The 100 megapixel lens of the Realme can achieve 3x optical zoom. This is quite useful in general. I think manufacturers are constantly exploring in order to satisfy more consumers. There are also different new choices for mid-range mobile phones. What about these two mobile phones with 8 plus 128GB variant? Realme 10 Pro Plus is $100 cheaper than Redmi Note 12 Pro. How would you choose everyone? Bye.